Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use the pen tool for masking in CapCut PC. So the pen tool allows you to create custom complex masks around any object or person. So this is a total game changer for professional transition, clone effects, and creative overlays. So let's say I'm going to use the masking to mask around this person's right here. So you can just click on the clip that you want to mask, go to the masking options and click on add mask. So as for now, this pen tool in masking only available on CapCut PC. Let me show you how you can use this. So you can just click on the pen tool in here in the masking. Now you can just create a perfect anchor points and curved paths around the object. So I'm going to start from here. For example, you can just go like this. You can drag it if you want to fix it or add some curve, and again like this. You can correct it just by doing like this. I'm going to undo it first. Let's add another one in here. Let's fix that. Bring up in here, and also this one. I'm going to make it longer. So you can just go with this. Choose the area that you want to mask, like I do in here. For example, like this. And so when you're done using the pen tool, you can just fix it, and again by dragging it like this. And if you're done, you can just click on, let's say you can also click on invert if you want to. So this is how it will look like. You can also add some feather, adjust expansion, and choose the tracking mask. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next tutorial.